Emma came to her dentist because her first lower molar is aching. Dr. Sam noticed on the X-ray a poor root canal treatment that needs to be retreated. He proposed to use remover file. It is one file to remove the gutta percha without any solvent. 3 to 4 swift back and forth movement will remove the gutta percha while respecting the root canal anatomy thanks to the non-cut-in tip. Dr. Sam is now finishing the retreatment with reshaping and obturation. Emma has no more pain and she's relieved. Both Dr. Sam and his assistant are satisfied. Remover allow you to secure your retreatment. MicroMega Remover is a medical device for dental care meant for professional dental use only. See product labeling and instructions for use.